Boto ko siya while you're looking down at me.
Ulit. Naka-record naman to.
Ha?
Voice record. Screen record.
How can we go back to be friends when we just shared? And how can you look at me and pretend if I'm someone you've never knew? It was last December, you were lying on my chest. I still remember. I was scared to take a breath. I didn't want you to move your head. How can we go back to be friends when we just left? But I didn't.
Can go back in friends when we shared our
Thinking of my roots. We're starting to get up to the something on the line. So, I'm holding on so tight to all these that so discussion.
So, welcome to podcast. Anong pangalan ng podcast?
I'm someone you've never met.
Anong pangalan ng podcast natin dalawa?
Biglaan lang.
Podcast.
Biglaan lang. Sige. Paano mo nag-i-start to?
So, let's talk about this lyric.
Sige. Mag-ano ka nga? Ay, sige. Game.
These lyrics ng how we can go back being friends when we just shared a bed. Parang ano to trending ngayon sa TikTok yung verse ba tawag doon? Yung sentence ng lyrics na
Line.
yan.
Lyrics.
Yan. So, tanungin natin si Jay. Jay. Tago na natin siya pangalang Jay. So, we are VJ. 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 VJ Duo. Oh.
How can we go back to be friends when we all... sige. Sagutin natin yun. O, ikaw muna. How can we go back to be friends when we just said, kaya ko ba?
Hindi ko alam yung sagot. Kasi, di ko pa naman na-try. Pero, pero baka pwedeng maging friends. Friends na going to parang getting to know each other.
Weird. Paano getting to know each other?
Getting to know each other na parang mag-step up na yung relationship.
Pero, hindi kasi yung concept ng pandemic. Paano ko kayo mag-step up together? Parang kasi mag-step up together pa doon. Ay, naghiwalay nga po.
Naghiwalay ba sila? Para kasi ang ano niyan, for me ha, uy may ganun. Ang ano niyan, di ba parang naging may nangyari, tapos parang ang tanong, paano tayo magiging friends ulit? Pagkatapos nangyari? Di ba?
Pwede naman. Pwedeng ganun yung ano ba scenario?
Ayun nga.
Sige.
Di ba parang usually,
So, parang
pag may,
wala kayong label, pero may ganon.
di ba friends tayo? tapos may nangyari. Paano tayong magiging friends ulit na parang walang nangyari, ganon? Kasi,
Kasi tinitake ko sa perspective na kayo.
sa akin,
Ganun.
parang positive yung perspective. Kasi after we share some bread in bed, na parang friends pa rin tayo in the stage of getting to know
Okay. Kung ganun yung
each other in higher.
So, yung situation is friends kayo and then may nangyari sa inyo. So, the thing is, doon ko mapasok yung how can you go back to the info when you just share your bed.
Mm-mm.
Medyo mahirap Kasi in the first place, parang kung wala naman kayo feeling sa isa't isa, bakit kayo nag-sharing? Sharing skills?
Paano mo nasabing walang feelings, parehas niyong ginawa?
Hindi nga. Kaya nga, ang weird naman na gagawin niyo yun, di ba? Parang ang hirap maging friends. Sa akin naman, parang ayoko. Kasi
So,
parang may feeling, either one-sided love or kung naman complicated ba yung situation niya, may sarili kayong partner. Parang that man yung situation. Kasi for example, na tayong dalawa magkaibigan, tapos may kanya-kanya tayong ka-relationship, tapos may nangyari sa ating dalawa. Parang awkward na maging friends pa tayo, knowing na, alam mo yun, may nangyari. Ayoko maging casual, bakla,
ayaw mo maging?
Kasi, hindi ako maging casual na, yung pakikitungo after.
Ay, ako iba.
Kasi,
ile-level up
ako
kita.
Hindi, ang sitwasyon ko ngayon is parang meron tayong kanya-kanyang relationship. Ako ayoko i-level up. Kasi meron kang current kung gano'n yung sitwasyon Pero, kung parehas naman tayo na single, depende.
Feeling ko parehas na single yan.
Parehas
diba
tayo na single.
Napaka-positive ko.
I-level up mo? Ni-level up po kasi sa totoong buhay.
Diba? Diba?
Sige, bibigay na lang din ako.
End of
Ang
podcast
tanong kasi
na.
wala doon.
How we can go back. Siguro, ang mangyayari niyan, magse-separate ng ways. Tapos, if destined na magkita ulit, then parang wala na yung feeling ng guilt or parang wala na yung feeling na yung feeling ng awkwardness.
Siguro, yung guilt at awkwardness, kung wala kayong mutual feeling. Pero kung meron naman, okay lang, back to the info. Kung parang, alam niyo na yung tutunguhan. Pero kung hindi, kung parang nangyari lang kasi,
Oo, na may nangyari.
Yung
Tapos biglang nag-vanish.
mga ganun. Mga awkward na pangyayari. Kaya, medyo 50, hindi ko alam 50-50.
So, parang merong number of situation. First, pag committed both. Diba?
Parang it's the feeling
Second,
naman. Okay lang to go back to being
mutual
kasi baka
feeling.
sooner or later, diba? Yun nga, baka it's more than sa pagiging friend.
Mutual
the other way
feeling.
around, kapag hindi naman, parang yung napagtripan nyo lang, lasing lang ba yung ganun. Tapos ang awkward na ng feeling, parang casual lang ako.
Ay, galing.
Eh bakit? Ikaw talaga ilalaman mo.
Palaban ako Palaban ako
Oo. Okay.
Yun nga kasi depende nga sa perspective. So, kung ang situation is both committed. So,